For the last time, I just turned in my badge and my laptop. Ooh, it is sunny. Honestly, I'm feeling excited. I feel sad, but I'm excited to go to Texas. Alright, so it's been about 1 month since I got my eyebrows microbladed, and today I'm going back to Emily's so I can get a touch-up done. This is how they're looking. They still look pretty good. As you can see, they need to be waxed still, but they definitely kept its shape. And you can see here when you kind of flick up the hairs where the semi-permanent tattoo is, but I think they look very natural. I'm very happy with them, and now I'm just gonna go to the touch-up. I think I'm actually going to go just a tad darker. I'm actually about to dye my hair darker for the wedding anyways, so I'm gonna do that. I kind of want them a little thicker at the front, but Emily will know what to do. Excited. Oh, thank you. They are so pretty. I'm so excited because I don't have any red wine glasses. Okay, now we're opening the rest. I love the bow. It's so pretty. Oh, yay! Okay, these are plates.
These are wine taster glasses.
What are they?
Wine taster glasses.
Wine taster glasses. Oh, the stemless ones. Yay!
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going
to be. Who knew setting up electric in an apartment would be so stressful. And you do this to me in the middle of my workday? So this is our last weekend in Columbus. I decided to go to church this morning. It was our last Sunday going to church here in Columbus. Gabe was playing drums and I kind of quietly just walked in 10 minutes late, took my seat, and the pastor totally was like, MollyKate and Gabe are moving to Dallas, and had to stand up, and all these people were talking and praying for us. It was just overwhelming. I was crying, and now here we are packing. I have a headache. Just so much is going on. I am trying to get the whole apartment packed, trying to also see everybody that we want to see before we go. But then I also have already started my new job remotely, and so I'm balancing, you know, starting that. I'm also finishing up wedding planning, sewing my dress. I have such a headache. I am actually about to go see Hannah. Hannah, as you know, is my best friend. She is in Columbus today, and this will probably be the last time I see her before we go. So I booked us reservations at Tucci's, our favorite restaurant, and I'm excited to surprise her. So
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet. Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
I thought we had 2 more years. Right, like where did the time go? Oh, yep. Like your new toy? So we are currently going to my mom's house. She is throwing a little birthday party for Miss Lulu and me, since we have the same birthday, but I said I just wanted to celebrate Lulu. And this is probably one of the last times that we are going to see them before we go, because we leave in 2 days. So yeah. My sister Kelly told me to wear a flannel shirt. I don't usually wear crop tops, but this is the only flannel I have. And I don't know what we're eating for food. I don't really know actually anything that's happening, but I'm excited to see my parents and my sisters and to give Miss Lulu her present. We got her a little toy. So, hey, come see the party. I did that.
Oh my goodness! That's Linda, Molly, and Gabe and Lulu on Dallas.
Pin the Molly and Gabe on the Dallas.
rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to